Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to do a brief review of Roblox third quarter results. So let's get right into it. The main theme here for Roblox is the horrible streak continues, and I'll show you what streak I mean a little bit later down the line here. But overall revenue was up by 2% in the third quarter to 517.7 million. This is a major slowdown for the metaverse pioneer that was growing rapidly during the initial stages of the pandemic and even before that. And so for the growth rate to slow down to 2% is a major slowdown, but it's to be understood since it grew so quickly during the pandemic that it brought forward some of the growth, and now it's reversing as people are spending more time away from home as kids are returning to school. So it's not surprising that its growth would slow down. However, net loss exploded to 298 million. That was up from 74 million in the same quarter last year. This is a little bit surprising and more than what I was expecting here from Roblox. As the revenue growth is slowing down, I would have thought they would have planned ahead for this and kind of reduced headcount, stopped headcount growth, and stopped spending growth, because management should know that their growth rate was going to decelerate as we emerge out of the pandemic, but that wasn't the case here. Thankfully, bookings increased by 10% to 701 million. This ended the streak of 2 quarters of declining bookings. Roblox is free to join, but if you want to experience some of the premium experiences on the platform, you have to deposit money and buy what's called Robux, their in-game currency. When consumers purchase that, Roblox counts it as bookings, and then the bookings turn into revenue over time. So when bookings increase, it's a good indicator for revenue over the next few quarters. And then cash flow from operations fell to 67 million from 181 million year over year, so a major decline there. Daily active users jumped by 24% year over year to 58.8 million. This was also a 6.6 million increase from the prior quarter, and most importantly, 1.8 million users were added from the US and Canada. These are the company's most lucrative users, the ones that spend the most money on the platform, and so the fact that they added this many users from the most lucrative region is good news for Roblox. Now, here finally is the terrible streak I alluded to at the beginning of this slide, which is the average bookings per daily active user was down 11% year over year, and this has been down for 5 straight quarters. So each user is spending less money on Roblox, and this is trending downward for 5 straight quarters. This is not good news for Roblox, and this is something that Roblox investors would hope that the company turns around. It stops these losses from average bookings per daily active user. Thankfully, management has another initiative underway in trying to monetize users, because right now, like I mentioned earlier, you can join Roblox and play for free, and so you don't have to spend very much, you don't have to spend money on the platform. And the vast majority of Roblox users are free users, and so Roblox management aims to try and monetize those users. It's going to do that through advertising. So it's trying to implement an advertising program so that it can monetize the millions of users that will never deposit money on the platform, or that have never deposited money on the platform. So this is pending. This is something that I'm watching closely, and I'm looking for management to update investors on how that's going, the progress in that regard, and how much money they think they can make per user from advertising. So this is something that we as Roblox investors, those individuals interested in Roblox stock, should pay close attention to. Okay, so that's all I've got for this Roblox earnings update. If you've gained any value from this video, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. It'll help me make more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for all investors of all skill sets and risk levels. So I'm proud to partner with the Motley Fool to bring you 10 stock picks from their popular product, Stock Advisor. Stock Advisor has beaten the market by more than 3 times. Go to fool.com/parkev to get your 10 stock picks now.